Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to change Facebook name. Okay, you can change Facebook name from your Facebook application, or you can use your mobile browser. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here I'm on my Android phone, guys. You can open your Facebook application. Just open your Facebook application, and you can change your name. Just click on the three-line option and just scroll down and go to the setting and privacy. Again, click on settings, and here you can see the personal and account information. Click on it, and you will find your name here. Just click on it. Then you can change the name. Please note that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Okay, so once you change your name and send for review, and if it is approved, then you can't change again name for 60 days, means 2 months. Okay, and don't add any unusual capitalization and punctuation, character, or random words. So use your real name, and when you change your name, just click on review change. Then Facebook team will be review your names, and it will be changed. And after that, you can't change name again for 60 days. And here also you can see the other name, which nickname you can add. So it will be add after your name in bracket. Okay, so in my case I have this name. You can just click on it and you can change your name. I have name, nickname. So just click on it and type your name here and just click on save. Then it will be save, and it will be show like I will show you how it is show on your profile. So just go to the profile. So you can see in bracket you will see your nickname. Okay, so this is my first and last name, and this is my nickname. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.